What's going on, guys? It's me, Bradley. Today we are going to be planting some tomatoes. They look a little rough. They've been in water for a little while now. These are actually tomatoes that I have propagated from tomatoes in the garden. They have roots all along the main stem. They're starting to get a little rotten at the bottom, so I'm going to be planting them up to about here, hoping that they take hold. The reason I had to wait so long is because they weren't rooting, and then finally when they did root, we couldn't plant them right away because we didn't have any rain. We can't haul a hose out to there, so supposed to be getting some rain tonight, which should make it a little bit less stressful on the tomato plants for them to be planted into the soil. So I'm going to bring you guys along. We're going to go ahead and use the tractor, which is right over there. We're going to till, and then we're going to get planted. I'm just going to bring you guys along. So let's go. Okay guys, so real quick, we got to take the brush hog off and we got to put the tiller on. I was using the brush hog back around our pond brush hogging a couple days ago, so we'll go ahead and do that real quick and then we'll jump into tilling. Okay guys, so real quick, the tomato variety that these are all San Marzano. They are all propagated off of our San Marzanos we planted. I just took suckers, put them in water, they'd root. They are a little rough shape. I'm just gonna plant them 2 to 3 foot apart each and see how they really go. It's July 20th today, so we have until about the middle of August, so they should definitely be able to get some fruit. So it's just a trial, and if we don't finish this whole row, I'm probably going to plant zucchinis or cucumbers, a second planting of those. So let's get planting and we'll see how far we go. Okay guys, that's roughly 70-foot worth of tomatoes planted. There's actually another 70-foot along there, so I don't know what I'll plant there. It'll probably either be zucchinis or cucumbers. Since we're already here, I'll go ahead and show you guys the potatoes. Okay guys, so these are actually our potatoes. These are a red Pontiac potato. They go all the way down to the road, then they go all the way down that way. So they're long rows. Goes from red Pontiac into a purple potato. So I'm excited to harvest those. All of these potatoes have basically flowered. This second row here, these are Kennebecs, which grow a little later, but you can tell they already flowered. They're starting to die back a little bit. So those grew nicely. We didn't even fertilize our potatoes once this year. We tilled between the rows with our little handheld tiller. There's still some weeds, but you know, just go through and pull them. But there ain't too many weeds. After the Kennebecs, we go in here, and these are the classic Yukon Golds. We've grown these a couple different times. My grandpa grows a couple 100 pounds of seed potato every year. We planted probably 200 or 300 pounds of seed potato. We'll actually go ahead and look for potato under these Yukon Golds and go ahead and show you guys how they're sizing up. Okay guys, so this potato here is starting to die back a little bit, which a telltale sign is after they flower, they'll start to die back actually. Some potatoes, after they flower, they'll actually give off a fruit berry. They're actually poisonous, so you shouldn't eat them, but you can actually save the seeds from them and they will grow a different type of potato. So we'll just dig down here under this Yukon. Already found one here. We'll go ahead and pull it up. Feels like a pretty good potato. Okay, nice. I'll just bury the rest. Here is our Yukon Golds. They're starting to size up nicely. I'll go ahead and hopefully have a video out when we go to harvest these. On the other side of you guys are the sweet potatoes, so I'll go ahead and show you guys those. Right here is our whole row of sweet potatoes. I've never actually really tried growing sweet potatoes. We need to come through here and go ahead and weed them. We also got these planted a little late and they were a little root bound when we got them, but they're starting to sprawl out a little bit. We're hoping we can maybe get something from them. Once they get tall enough, we'll come through and we'll hill them, because sweet potatoes, they're in the marigold family, but they'll actually root anywhere they touch, and the more roots they have, the more tubers they will give. So I'm hoping that works out really well, and yeah, I think that's about it for this video. Okay guys, that's about it for this video. I want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what variety of potatoes y'all are growing down in the comments below. And until next time, God bless. Potato.